Welcome to Christ Redeemer Church. We have the pleasure of introducing great influential people this morning. This morning we have the pleasure of introducing another brother this morning. Would you like to introduce yourself?
My name is
Curtis Woods. Thank you, Curtis Woods, for being here this morning. Curtis Woods, you'd like to share when were you born or where were you born, or share something about yourself? 1974. Wow, Curtis, that's awesome. Anything else you want to share about yourself?
I love my mama.
You lived in Pine Bluff, Arkansas. I got a chance to actually go to Israel with Curtis. We got a chance to go to Israel and do spend some time over there, checking out the Palestinian areas and things of that nature. To hear about so many things that is happening over there in Israel. And Curtis, you have written books, I hear? I enjoy seeing many books you have written, but anything else you want to share about yourself?
I want my hope for Jesus.
Say it one more time about Jesus.
I want my hope in Jesus.
Wow, Curtis said he puts his hope in Jesus. We can use a lot of that in our society today, right? Putting our hope in Jesus. Curtis, we got a chance to interview your wife Tracy not too long ago. But thank you, Curtis, for sharing with us and writing the literature you've been written. Thank you, Curtis.